Have you ever wondered how touch screens, flexible solar panels, or even smart windows work? The answer often lies in a cutting-edge material, ITO-coated PET sheets. In this video, we'll explore their fascinating applications, benefits, and the innovations driving their use in transparent conductive films. Segment 1. What are ITO-coated PET sheets? ITO stands for Indium Tin Oxide, a material known for its unique combination of electrical conductivity and optical transparency. When coated on PET, a lightweight and flexible polymer, it creates a versatile film that's revolutionizing modern technology. These sheets are crafted by applying a thin, uniform layer of ITO onto PET film, resulting in a material that's both durable and highly conductive. Friends, we need your support. Please like and subscribe our channel. If you want to purchase ITO-coated PET sheet, link is given in the description section. Let's get back to the topic. Segment 2. Applications of ITO-coated PET sheets. So, where are these sheets used? Let's take a look. Touch screens and displays are one of the most common applications. The ITO layer enables the screen to sense touch by detecting electrical changes. Flexible solar panels are another breakthrough. The transparency and conductivity of ITO-coated PET allow sunlight to pass through while generating electricity. Smart windows? Yes, they're powered by these films too, enabling adjustable tint and energy efficiency. Segment 3. Benefits of ITO-coated PET sheets. Now, why are these sheets so popular? Let's break it down. 1. Lightweight and flexible. Unlike traditional glass substrates, PET sheets are easy to integrate into flexible devices. 2. High optical clarity. They maintain excellent transparency, critical for displays and windows. 3. Excellent conductivity. Perfect for enabling touch-sensitive and energy-efficient technologies. 4. Durability. Resistant to scratches and environmental conditions. Segment 4. Innovations and future trends. The future of ITO-coated PET sheets is brighter than ever. With advancements in flexible electronics, we're seeing applications in wearable devices, bendable smartphones, and even rollable displays. As the Internet of Things, IoT, grows, these films are set to play a vital role in smart devices and sustainable energy solutions. Segment 5. FAQs and common misconceptions. Before we wrap up, let's address some frequently asked questions. Question 1. Are ITO-coated sheets expensive? While ITO itself is costly, advancements in manufacturing are making these sheets more affordable for a wide range of applications. Question 2. How durable are they? They're surprisingly robust, with excellent resistance to scratches and environmental factors. Question 3. Can they be recycled? Yes. Research is ongoing to improve the recyclability of ITO-coated materials, aligning with global sustainability goals. From touchscreens to smart windows, ITO-coated PET sheets are shaping the future of technology. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on cutting-edge materials and innovations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us.